try to give answer of these two questions. Okay. What is the
Okay.
first question?
What
What is a
language?
language? Or why we use a language?
To talk. We use
To talk.
language to talk to others.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Absolutely correct. Now just try to give answer of my second question. This is question number second. What is a computer or programming language?
Is
Computer
does not get tired.
get tired. Very good. Very good definition. Anything else you know about computers? Okay, what do you do? What do you mostly do in computer? You play games? You draw drawings? Right or not?
Yeah.
Okay, now listen me very carefully.
Yeah.
Okay, I am telling you what is computer or programming language. Okay, now just wait. Let's understand. So we know the language is a medium to communicate, right? Like as you told me, we use language for to talk, right?
Yeah.
Now, what is a computer or programming language? Observe very carefully. Okay, it is also a medium to talk. With whom we will talk? We will talk with a system or a machine. Okay, we will use programming language. We will talk with computers with the help of a programming language. As you said earlier, Python is a what? Python is
Language.
language. Python is a programming language. Why we use Python? To communicate with a machine. Which type of machine? Computers.
Computer.
Understood?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the definition of programming language? Will you try?
Oh. Programming language is a
Medium is a way.
Yeah.
You can say
to compute with system or other electric.
device. Okay. You just read like this. It is a language to talk with a machine, to talk with a program, to talk with a computer. Okay, to talk with a computer. Why we use programming language like Python? To talk with computers. Okay,
Okay.
understood, Atharva?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we are going to do some little bit small program in Python. Okay,
Yeah.
are you ready for it? Okay, tell me where you draw the paint, where you draw the drawing in computers, which software you use? What you type? First of all, what you type to draw something on the computer? What you open?
Painting.
Yes, paint. You use paint,
Yeah.
right? So we will use also a software to write Python program. Okay, what is the name? Idle. Okay, just let it be open. Okay, here we will write Python programs. Okay, in this we will write Python program. So this is the screen. Can you see this screen?
Yeah.
Okay, now okay, Atharu, tell me one thing. Do you love mathematics or not?
Yeah, I love so much. Is it
Love
my
so much?
subject? Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so can you tell me what is the meaning of this line? What I have written something here. A is equal to 10. Can you see this?
A equal to 10.
Okay, so A is the 10 is the value for A. Now B is the value of 20. Okay.
S
Now
is the value of 30.
no. I am asking, tell me, okay, wait. Tell me what will be the answer of this?
30.
30. So you are right. Okay. Now, tell me what will be the answer of this?
10.
Sure.
Minus 10.
Now tell me what will be the multiplication of 10 into 20. Okay, let me show you how you will do this. Okay, just wait. See very carefully. What is the number? 10 multiply by 20. Right? This is the number.
Yeah.
Okay, how you will do this? Okay,
Yeah.
just suppose there is no zero. Just suppose there is no zero.
1,
Okay,
2.
just forget about the zero. Yes, 1 into 2. Now can you tell me what will be the answer of this?
2.
2. Very good. Very good. Okay, now how many zero were there in this example? How many zero?
0, 1, 2. 0.
2 0. So after this 2, just write 2 0. This is the answer. Understood?
Okay.
Okay, let's try to do something. Let's try. You will tell me what is the answer. Okay. Now tell me what will be the answer of this. 2400. Very good. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so by this you can multiply any number, any big number you can write. Okay, let's try another example. Then we will move forward to the next part. Okay, now 10 into 20 into 30. Now try.
6,000.
Yes, 6,000. 6,000. Okay, now let's try to do this. Okay, in programming. Okay, observe very carefully. Now you tell me what will be the answer of this? A multiply by B. This question.
200, sorry.
Yes, 200. Can you see the answer? 200.
Yeah.
Okay, now I am giving you some more questions. A is equal to 50, B is equal to 60, and again A multiply by B. Now tell me what will be the answer?
5, 6, 30.
Yes, 30, then 20.
3,000.
Yes, 3,000 is the answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now next question. Very interesting. And I want correct answer this time. Okay?
B, 60.
Now, tell me what will be the answer?
So A 4, 50. B 4, 20. And C 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5 zeros.
There is 4 zeros. How you took 5 zeros? Check your answer. Wait, let me solve it for you. 50 into 20 into 10. Now, what you will solve? 5, 2 into 1. Okay, tell me what is the multiplication of 5 into 2?
10.
10.
5, 2, 10.
10 into 1?
10.
10, right? So we have got 10. Now, how many zero here? This is first, this is second, and this is third. Now put first, second, and third. Understood?
Yeah.
Where is your error? See your answer and my answer. Check your answer and my answer.
There are 5 zeros in mine.
Why you have put 5 zeros?
10 here I have kept.
Yes. So understood how the 10,000 come? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's move forward to the next topic. Okay? Okay. Now I am taking A is equal to 10. Observe very carefully. Okay? A 10, B 2, and this is the, what is the sign of, what is the sign? What is this sign? What do you call this sign? Let's understand next thing. Listen very carefully. Okay. Now, I want that your name, Atharv, to be print on the screen. Okay. How you will do this? Okay. Observe very carefully. So, we will write print. What we will write?
Print.
Print. And in print, you need to write bracket. First of all, this bracket. Okay? How you will do this? How you will write bracket? Very simple. Shift plus 9. Shift plus 9. The bracket will come. And how you will write your name? You will write in double quotes in this symbol. Okay? And after that, just type your name. Atharv. Then close this bracket. Okay? Now, I am just pressing enter. Now see. See what output I get? Atharv. Okay? Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, will you try? Okay, okay. Now I want to print. Can you tell me your best friend name?
Tanushree.
Tanushree. Very good. So how we will print Tanushree on the screen? We will use the same method. First, double quote. Then write your friend name, Tanushree. Okay, let's print. This is the name, Tanushree. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay. Now let's try to print and something else very interesting. Okay. Now just observe very carefully. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I want like this. I want this type of output. First, I want your name, Atharv.
Yeah.
First I want Atharv. And in the next line, I want your friend name.
Yeah.
Okay. How we will do this? Okay, how we will do this? Listen very carefully. Okay, shall we do this?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's observe how we will do this. Okay, so wait. Okay, wait. Yeah, listen very carefully. So we will use same print. Okay, and first I will write your name, Atharv.
And.
No, not and. I want Tanushree in the second line, not in the same line. I want Tanushree in the second line. Okay, now how we will do this? Okay, let's understand. Okay, So you will write /n. What you will write? This is
Slash.
/n. After that, your friend name Tanushree. Now just close this. Now let's see what happens. Now see, suppose I want in the same line. I want first Atharva, and after your name, I want your best friend name Tanushree. Just after your name. Then what we can do? Very easy. First write your name Atharva, and after that your friend name Tanushree. So Atharva Tanushree. Is it very easy or not?
Easy.
Right? Now
Yeah.
suppose, now let's take another example. Okay. I want that your name comes 3 times. I want your name comes for 3 times. First Atharva, and after that again Atharva, and after that again Atharva. 3 times Atharva. Atharva. There is only Atharva and Atharva, nothing else. Okay, Atharva, first Atharva, second Atharva. Then how you can write? Okay, let's try. So what you will print? What you will write? Print. Very easy. Listen very carefully. First, write your name Atharva. Okay. Now, the multiplication sign. How many times you want your name on the screen? Just tell me how many times you want.
3 times.
How many times? 3 times. So into 3. Multiply. Just multiply your name by 3. Now see. Atharva. Okay. Now
9 times.
9 times. Okay, let's try. Print Atharva multiply by 9 times. Now Atharva. So many Atharva they are there. How you will identify which one is real Atharva? There are so many Atharva, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is my next thing? Okay, understood? Atharva?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's try another thing. We can also write like this. Observe very carefully. If I write 9 first, okay, if I write 9 first, then multiplication sign, then your name, okay, both things will be same. The same output we will get. Okay, Atharva into 9 or 9 into Atharva, both things are same. Okay,
Okay.
understood?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, now what you will learn, next thing, observe very carefully what I am doing. Okay, I want that, listen very carefully. I want that Atharva name come for 9 times, and your Tanushree friend name also come for 9 times. How we will do this? Is it very interesting? 9 times your name and your friend name also for 9 times. How you will do this? Okay, let's try.
9 multiplication sign. Atharva slash n and Tanushree.
No. You are getting wrong. I am asking. Okay, just wait. Let me show you. Let me tell you clearly. I want this. 9 times your name, Atharva. 9 times your name, Atharva. And also 9 times your friend name, Tanushree. Are you getting my point? Very easy. Okay, first your name Atharva for 9 times.
Yeah.
Okay, your name Atharva for 9 times. After that, I am writing. What is the symbol? What is the symbol? Addition, right? Now
Yeah.
I want your name Tanushree also for 9 times. So what we are doing? We are adding your name and Tanushree name for 9 times. Okay, let's try. So see, first Atharva 9 times, then Tanushree 9 times. Tell me another 2 names. Tell me another 2 names. Any other 2 names?
Ria.
Ria.
Yeah.
Okay, and Avika. Very good. Okay, will you try? How I want both name for 9 times. For suppose 15 times, not 10 times. I want 15 times. Both names should be print 15 times. Okay. Can you try? How many times?
And Ria. 9, 15 times. 1, 5.
Multiply by 15 times. Okay. After that, what symbol I will use? I will write. What symbol?
Plus.
Plus. Addition. Plus.
Plus.
Now, what is Avika?
15 times. 1, 5.
15. Very good. Now, let's see. Ria. Avika. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so by this way, we can write any number for n number of times. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's revise what we have learned till now. Okay. Just tell me. Okay. We are revising the thing. Observe very carefully. A is equal to 15. B is equal to the addition of these two numbers.
20.
Yes, 20. Now tell me A minus B.
10.
Yes, very good. Now try. Okay, now let me give you another number. A 10, B is equal to 3. Now multiply A by B. Now tell me what will be the answer?
30.
Very good. 30. Okay. Now let's try. Okay. Print Ria. Sorry, not Roya. Ria. Ria and Avika. Now you tell me how the output will come. Will it be the same line or in different line?
Different line.
So first, what will come? Ria or Avika?
Ria.
And after that?
Avika.
So first Ria, then Avika. Okay, now tell me what answer we will get. What answer we will get of this?
Ria will come 10 times.
Very good. Very good. Now tell me the output of this.
10 times Avika.
Very good. Now tell me what answer we will get.
Ria will come 4 times. Avika will come 5 times.
Very good. So just count. The 4 and 5 is there or not? Just count.
Yeah, it is there. 4
Okay. So I think it is enough for the class. Hope you like class. Hope you like the class. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay, fine.